Good morning, children. How are you? Doing good? Good. So let's just have a quick revision. All what we learned on lesson 2. First we start with meter and centimeters. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? Yes, meter. M is a short form for meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. That means 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Now 200 centimeters make how many meters? Yes, 2 meters. 500 centimeters make how many meters? 500 centimeters make 5 meters. Now let's try to convert this into meters and centimeters. Convert means to change. Change into meters and centimeters. 505 centimeters. This you have to convert into meters. Let's see. Now this is 500. That means 500 means 5 meters and 5 centimeters. So how many meters? Yes, 5 meters and 5 centimeters. Now 715 centimeters. Convert this into meters. Yes, this is how many hundreds here? 700 means 7 meters. Yes, 7 meters and 15 centimeters. Okay, now 800 centimeters. How many meters? 800 centimeters make how many meters? 8 meters. Yes, 8 meters. Now we have converted this into meters because there is centimeters. That is why we wrote here 5 centimeters and here 15 centimeters. Okay. Now let's convert the meters into centimeters. Meters into centimeters. 1000. Sorry. Not 1000. I was going to write 1000 centimeters. I don't want because I already said I'm going to convert it into meters. Now 6 meters. How many centimeters? We learned in 1 centimeter there are 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. In 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. So here it is 6 meters. So in 6 meters, how many centimeters? Yes, 6 into 100. 6 into 100, that is 600. 600 centimeters. Now, 7 meters. How many centimeters? Yes, 700 centimeters. 700 centimeters. Got it? 700 centimeters. In 7 meters, there are 700 centimeters. Now we already learned about meters and centimeters, learn to convert. Now, to add. Add means to plus. Yes. Now 7, this is meters and here centimeters. Okay, 7 meters and 5 centimeters. That means 7 meters and 5 centimeters plus 2 meters and 2 centimeters. How do you add? Yes, this is addition. Addition means to add. 5 plus 2 is 7. 0 and 0 is 0 itself. Then 7 plus 2 is 9. That means 9 meters and 7 centimeters. Okay. This is the way you add. Fine. Now I am asking you to draw a line of, let me take my scale. I'm asking you to draw a line of 7 centimeters. So how do you take 7 centimeters? Yeah. Now, please look here. Can you see the scale? Can you see the markings on the scale? Yeah? Can you see the markings? Yes. Now you see the markings on the scale. And take this. See this? Here, what is given over here? You notice? Yes. There are centimeters given over here. This is the centimeters on this given here. Okay. Now look here. This is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm asking you to draw line of 10 centimeters. So what do? Yes, you keep the scale on your book and you mark 10. You mark there, 1 point there. We learned about point, remember? Yes, you mark a point there. Then draw a line. Now I'm going to mark 10 centimeters on my board. So I'm taking my scale and I place the scale here on the board and I mark here 10. I put a point there, dot there. Then I draw a line. Then what should I do after that? Only draw a line? No, must write 10 centimeters. Okay, 10 centimeters. Follow? So when I ask you to draw a line of how many centimeters, that's so many centimeters should be marked at the bottom of the line. Okay, so first you have to place your scale on the on the paper or book or whatever you are doing. You have to first mark that, then draw the line. Underneath you have to write how many centimeters you are drawing. That so many centimeters should be marked under the line. Okay. Now that is meters and centimeters. Suppose I'm asking you to minus. I'm asking you to minus from 95 meters and 10 centimeters. I'll write your meter here, centimeter here. So when you write, what you have to remember, see the digits, the numbers. It is placed in the correct place value. Okay. Now 95, I'm going to write your meters and centimeters. From 95 meters and 75 centimeters minus 80 meters and 15 centimeters. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 1. When you take away 1 from any number, you get the next smallest number. When you minus. When you add, you get the next highest number to that number. Right? So 7 minus 1. The next smallest number to 7 is 6. 6. So we finish with the centimeters. Now let us come to the meters. 5 take away 0. 5 itself. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 15 meters and 60 centimeters is the answer. Right? Got it? Yeah. Now 1 liter. 1 liter makes how many milliliters? 1 liter? Yes, 1 liter makes 1000 milliliters. 1 liter makes 1000 milliliter. 1 kilogram is 1000 kilograms. 1 kilogram is 1000 kilograms. Okay. Now, 250. It is 250 grams plus 250 grams plus 250 grams plus dash is 1 kilo. So what you have to write here? What you have to write there? We just now said there are 1000 grams in grams in what? In 1 kilogram. So 250 plus 250 is 500. 500 plus 250 is 750. So to make it into 1000 grams, how many grams more you have to write here? Yes, 250 more grams you have to write here. So 4 250 grams makes 1000 grams. Now how many 500 grams are there in 1000 grams in 1 kilo? That means, yes, 500 plus 500 is 1000 grams. Now 750 plus 750 gram plus dash is 1 kilo. 750 already there. To make it into 1000, you need how many grams more? Yes, 250 grams. So there are 100 grams in 1 kilo. There are 100 grams in 1 kilo. There are 250 grams in 1 kilo. And there are 500 grams in 1 kilo. So in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliters. 1 liter there are 1000 milliliters. So you please go through this. This is just only a revision. Now the next class which I give you, you don't have to look at it today. You do your revision. This class I am just doing it to just make you aware of the time. So don't look at this. The next class, you just go through it when you have the time tomorrow. Okay, children? So do your revision fast and get full marks, and all must attempt to do it. And one thing I want to remind you, when you do it, keep space and do it, so that easy for me to correct it, because it's very difficult when you do it in the next lines. You leave space and do it. Okay? Take care.